Carly. Give us an example, highlight a specific program, one that you can talk about, of course, that you'd like to highlight for the interest of the listening audience.
Sure, Luke, happy to do so. So a recent example in this field was how our machine learning experts applied their expertise and really employed a very strong expert network, both internally and externally to the NIWCs, to the Naval Information Warfare Centers, and they led a rapid response to the Beat COVID-19 crisis. The original proposal, in fact, came from a startup week that we run internally to identify best use of some of our internal discretionary funds, almost like an IRAD investment, where we called for our ideas and solutions related to COVID-19. And the outcome of that event was that in 2 days we had come up with 36 different ideas, and in a week's time we had 6 detailed proposals. And ultimately 2 were selected, all in 1 week. So one of the selected efforts was brought forward by the machine learning community, and it was an application that was used to detect symptoms and to do contact tracing. And aside from the great work that they all did in developing the app very quickly, there really were some key enablers that leveraged that multi-year investment in both our people and our infrastructure across the naval enterprise and our industrial base that really helped and brought speed to that effort. One was the network of experts, and for the past several years, the naval out at the Naval Information Warfare Center Pacific in San Diego, we've hosted a yearly conference that is called the Naval Applications of Machine Learning, or NAML. And this, over the years, has grown exponentially, and it's really grown into an internationally recognized technical conference that's grown beyond its original name or intent. It's beyond naval at this point, and it's beyond machine learning.
Wow.
So that's really a testament to the energy behind this and the community that's rapidly formed. And it was, in fact, some of the researchers and their professional networks that developed during these early events that allowed the team to rapidly identify team members from across the Pacific, Guam, San Diego, Northern California, and beyond. A second key enabler was a multi-year effort to develop a secure cloud infrastructure specifically for the R&D community, and that's unique. So specifically for developers as opposed to a production cloud. Also led
type environment there. Yeah, I like that.
So unclassified, but secure. And that was specifically led also out of NIWC Pacific, but for the broader naval R&D enterprise.